Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, we have button Add Device. You need to click at this button. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. In this window, you need to select Bluetooth. And now we need to enter pairing mode. So, open the charging case. And if your earbuds do not connect it with other devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. Now, we can also enter to pairing mode manually. You need to remove your earbuds from the charging case. Then, at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold your touch areas and then you will see them at the device list. Now, we need to click at the earbuds and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!